Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, I'm Pawan. I'm a registered nurse working in one of the hospitals in Sydney. And today's video, I would like to start with an announcement that I'll be making a series of videos on nursing interview questions. So today's video is going to be the first video of the series, which is an introduction to the nursing interview questions. In this video, I'm going to cover very basic tips, very general tips for these interviews, followed by some specific tips for the online interviews. So let's get started. Being a nurse takes a special kind of a person. Often you're seeing people in the middle of what can easily be the worst day of their lives. So you need patience, resilience, attention to detail, and a thick skin. Being a nurse is truly a calling for the right person, but sometimes getting that first job can seem like the hardest part of the whole process, starting with those nail-biting nursing interviews. But luckily, I'm here to help. I'm going to go over exactly the type of questions nurses can expect to be asked in the interview. But let's first start with some general tips around these interviews. Review the job description. Now, once you're selected for the interview, the first step towards preparation for your interview would be to going back and reviewing that job description. What's the job title? Which department would you be working in? What are the duties and the tasks you would be performing? And what are the skills required for the job? After going through them thoroughly, be sure to align your competencies with the skills required for the job. And also be prepared to be asked some questions around those areas, around your previous experiences performing similar duties in other organizations. Research the organization. Now do some research on the mission values of the organization. Usually they're looking to hire people with the similar values to those of the organization. So doing some research beforehand will give you an insight of what their future goals are. And discussing those future goals in your interview will make you seem like the right person for the job. Rehearse beforehand. Now, before you appear for that interview, make sure you do a few mock ones with someone at home, or maybe a friend, or even practice in front of a mirror. Go through a few questions that you might expect to be asked in that interview. And when you do get those questions in the actual interview, try and sound as natural as you can, as if you've heard those questions for the very first time. Plan your journey to the interview. Now, this may sound very basic, but one of the most important things that you need to consider is how you're going to get there. The idea is to get there at least 10 minutes before the interview. So if you're planning to drive, give yourself enough time to get there on time. Consider the traffic conditions or the weather conditions that might cause any delays. And make sure you have enough fuel, because you don't want to be all dressed up for the interview and then stop at the gas station on your way. And if you're catching the public transport, be sure to check the websites for any delays that might have caused. Dress appropriately. Yes, wearing the right clothes to the interview won't get you the job, but wearing the wrong clothes to the interview will definitely sink any chances of impressing the interviewer. There's only one rule that stands above all: dress professionally. Wear something that's appropriate for the role and make sure you're comfortable at the same time. For ladies, don't overdo makeup and stay away from much jewelry. And don't forget about the body language. Exhibit a good posture and maintain a pleasant smile. Be prepared to ask a question. Now, at the end of the interview, when they ask you if you've got any questions for them, don't let this opportunity go in vain. In fact, take this opportunity to stand out by asking them a question about the department you might be working in or the organization, because this will make you look more interested and driven. But avoid asking any questions about the wages or the benefits that you might be getting. Turn off your cell phone. Now, this is again very basic, but you don't want that cell phone to go off in the middle of the interview. This is a big turn off for the interviewers. So make sure you turn your cell phone off. Now, let's talk about the online interviews. In addition to all the tips that I've just given you, when appearing for an online interview, keep the following in mind. Firstly, do a test run with your computer and make sure you've got a good internet connection. It's a must. Now, this is very important. Check if your webcam's working okay. Check if your microphone's working okay, because you don't want any interruptions during the interview. Secondly, pick a spot with good lighting. Now, the idea is to try and avoid those overhead lights because they don't look great on webcams. Try and sit near a natural source of light like a window. Don't use any virtual backgrounds. It looks really unprofessional, so try and stay away from those cute virtual backgrounds that you might be tempted to use. Pay close attention to what's in the background. Declutter if you have to. Even a blank wall is acceptable because it keeps the focus on you. Remove any distractions. Make sure you're alone for the interview. Possible distractions for the interviewers could be your phone going off every now and then, or you're getting any email notifications on your computer, or it could be even some pets or your roommates in the background, which again looks really unprofessional as well. So because the chances of you getting this job depends on this very interview, you don't want to take any chances. So having a chat with your roommates or your housemates would be an idea, and making sure you get some alone time. Look your interviewer in the eye. Now, it's a natural tendency for all of us to be looking down at the screen when we are preparing for an online interview. But the idea is to look at the camera, and that makes you look like you're actually making a good eye contact with the interviewer. Now, there's a little trick to it, which I've used in the past as well. What you need to do is you take a small photo of a friend of yours and stick it next to the camera. Now, don't stick it on the camera because obviously they won't be able to see you that way. So stick it next to the camera, and that way, every time you look at the photo while you're making a conversation, it actually makes you look like you're making a good eye contact with them. And also, having that photo there actually makes you feel like you're just having a normal chat with your friend, and it's not like a stressful situation like an interview. So guys, that was the end of the episode 1 of the series. In the next episode, I'll be discussing very specific nursing interview questions. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you still haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.